Kasor Karjela Lengba Katnat Sport and Youth Affairs Kementa Kasi Kelap Penlong I Kejiraki International Youth Day Arajar Arpua Dak Ba Aimensia Miki Samla Ileka Kejela Hakabau Sembut Mitrang Ba Kejela Ba Proston Tensong Ulawan Malaysia Menta Kumukongsan Nak Benta Kani Kejiraki Ya kani kejiraki la penlong ha ususo tham auditorium ha kani kasingi kumsi benta bendang pensulusyo iki rangmat kita lek kai kejela nakaliang jong transport but youth affairs kala ai dak pisa but kumjuru shaki sport club pair lembat iki wedi ki kenhon nakaliang menteri sarkar bape yak transport and youth affairs suba bante doling do habakran kum sumbut kongsan ulong hapo kejela don artili ki youth center but hadien blai I yak jingkeu bhagi khon samla hakisap ki phong bakidon ladon kam bandan no ki youth center haman laki district jong kejela.
Ladies and gentlemen, I will now invite call upon the representative from samla.
The population of our state, 74% is our youth. So that we should grab this opportunity for what the government has been doing for the last 4.5 years. I think all of us, we know, and we are aware also, there is 2 youth centers in our state. One in Shillong and one in Tura, which both the youth center for the youth. Actually, this youth center, it was supposed for the youth to have some program, have some meeting, and they can plan something what they want to move forward. But the thing is, now this 2 center, it's become a kind of a place to stay for the people coming from outside and from the state. And I remember when I was in Gujarat last time for the sports conference meeting, which been called by the Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs. And I raised this. In our state, we need, in all the district of our state, we need 1 youth center because we have seen the talent of our youth. We have seen the struggle of our youth in our state. So that we need some more youth center in our state. So I don't know whether it will be coming up or not, but the thing is, my duty is to raise us to ask some more center in our state. For the last 4.5 years, I really want to mention this. We are trying to bring the change, especially in our sports department, which some of the associations, some of the sports person, they used to criticize, which the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, they are not doing anything. Why we approve the sports policy and the youth policy? Because we knew it. Our youth have done great for our state.
You are, as rightly mentioned by your Honorable Minister, the future and the pillar of the state. It is you to take over from me and to take over from all of us. Whether good or bad, it is up to you to perform. I'm happy to tell you about 65% of them, they are successful on their own business. We started the start-up policy from 2020, and this start-up policy is also taking off very, very positively. Why government ultimately decided under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister to initiate a number of initiatives through sports and youth affairs department, and also with all related departments. We wanted to make sure that our youth should not feel insecure themselves by saying the moment we completed our education, we are jobless. Therefore, different initiative has been taken by the government. Good investment in youth sectors is also invested. So I would like to request all of you, please grab and take this opportunity. MDA government is useless. Somebody says this government is worse, but let me tell you, we are not. Go back to the history prior to 2018. Where are all these initiatives? Nothing was there. Now we have focus. We have focus too. We want to reach out to each and every household in the form of SSG. It's so important. And so much investment again is created for this. So my dear young friends, when you go back home, please understand, government has already opened up these initiatives. Just take this opportunity on your own, and one day you will be somebody. That is what I would like to share with all of you. And don't lose hope. We have so much talent. The potentiality that we have in Meghalaya as far as youth sector is concerned, maximum talents we have.